Okay, so let's get started with our task 3. Reconfigure Entra Connect Sync to sync the new organizational unit. Okay, so let's move back to server 1. On this page, we'll run the Azure AD Connect. Again, we'll need to hit configure. Additional tasks will be customize synchronization option. Next, on the connect page, we will hit next. It'll ask again for the authentication. Let's provide them the credentials. So next, we'll click on the connect your directories page. Connect your directories. Okay, which is already added. Next, simply click on next. And here on this page, domain and OU filtering page, ensure that sync selected domain in OU is selected. Is already selected. And then select expand the contoso.com. Select the checkbox next to Entra ID clients, which we just now created. Do not make any other changes and then just click on next. So we are establishing the sync from the on-premises to the Azure AD. And this is done. Optional features. What I'll need to do not make any changes. So this is already selected. General features ready to configure, and I'll just hit configure. I'll run the configuration and start synchronization. When the configuration is complete, click on exit. So note, Entra Connect sync synchronizes automatically now when you modify the OUs being synced. You can use the synchronization service to monitor sync status. All right, sync. You can use synchronization service. Let's check that. I can find it. Synchronization service. All right. To monitor sync status. So on this, I think I should be able to monitor the sync status here. Delta imported, which is in progress. Okay. Anyways, guys, we'll explore this in our next upcoming videos. Anyways, so let's close it for now. Click on exit. And then the task 4 is to verify the Entra hybrid join. So for that, move to our client 2 machine again. And we have already signed in as the administrator with the password. And here I'll just open our Windows terminal with admin. Windows terminal admin. And we'll check this command quickly. Okay, I will verify this one. Okay, when the output under device state, which is this, verify that Azure AD joined yes and domain joined is also yes. So for our case, it is not showing as Azure AD joined. If the device is not yet joined to Entra ID, switch back to server 1 and run the command below. Once completed, switch back to CL2 and restart the computer once more. Okay. So sync cycle, I believe we need to run this. Okay. Let's try this out. Anyways, I'll just manually enter it. The copy paste is not working inside. AD sync sync AD sync cycle. This is our command. Hyphen policy type hyphen. Oops, need to add a space. Hyphen policy type delta. All right, so this is success. Now let's jump back to our client to machine. Close all windows. Close all windows on CL2. Sign out. So I'll just hit the sign out here. Mm, Server one, switch to enter admin center devices. All joined. And let's verify on the portal. Devices. Where is it? Devices. All devices. It should appear here. See it here. We can verify it here. This is a Microsoft Entra hybrid joined device CL2 machine. All right. And as a value for now join type, you can see here in this join type column, if necessary, select the refresh button, not required, close all instances. And this is how we have successfully performed the hybrid joining of the devices as per our problem statement. So this was the scenario which is completed now. All right. And thanks for staying connected, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.